Tank disinfection setting number 1. Tank disinfection setting 1 and 2 are the function to set the water heating operation to disinfect the water tank. In the tank disinfection setting 1, you can decide whether to use this function or not with the disinfection active option. And start day means the day of the week to operate its weekly operation. And start time means the time it starts the operation. Tank disinfection setting number 2. In the tank disinfection setting number 2, you can set 3 things: the maximum temperature for the disinfection, duration time, and forced end time. Maximum temperature is the target temperature for the disinfection operation and can be set between 60 and 80 degrees Celsius. Duration time is the time maintained after the target temperature is reached. You can choose between 5 and 60 minutes. Forced end time is to forcefully cancel the work because target temperature is not reached after a certain period of time. This time can be set between 1 and 12 hours. The default setting for maximum temperature, duration time, and forced end time are 70 degrees Celsius, 10 minutes, and 1 hour respectively. The temperature profile during operation is presented on the screen. For details, please refer to the installation manual.